What's up, TikTok? Rex and Landon here, reenacting the famous walk that helped one man predict the size of the Earth in 240 BCE. We're on day 11, and we've made it to Chicago, the city of lights, baby. Me and Landon are professional step counters.
My feet hurt so bad.
We've been hired to walk across Egypt.
Wait, we're not supposed to be Egyptian, are we? I thought we were Greek.
The guy that hired us was Greek, so don't worry about it. As I was saying, the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes hired two guys to measure the distance between two cities using only their feet and their wits. Tell the people why, Landon.
He saw a stick cast a shadow at noon in Alexandria.
And?
Someone told him there was no shadow at the bottom of a well at noon in Syene,
Which was?
a city on the other side of the country.
Two cities, two different lunchtime shadow situations. What could it mean?
It meant the sun was shining on the two cities at different angles, which would only happen if they were sitting on different parts of a curved surface.
So?
If you could find the distance between the two cities, which no one knew because it was 240 BCE, he could use it to calculate the curvature of the Earth and the distance the whole way around the world.
And the only way to find out how far apart those cities were in 240 BCE was us, baby. Two professional tradesmen taking steps of exactly equal length and counting them. Let's do this! 591,339.
Did they count out loud in real life? Because if I had to listen to you count to 1,000,000, one of us is not.
Stop saying numbers. 591,340.
What did they do when they got there? Just turn around and walk back?
591,340.
I'm not walking back to Cincinnati.
591,340.
I want a hot dog.
591,343.
I saw a hot dog eating contest once where this guy ate 75 hot dogs in 10 minutes.
You have got to stop saying numbers.
Okay, you know what? I should have negotiated a hot dog stipend before I agreed to be in your stupid video.
This is actually a great project. This guy accurately predicted the size of a whole planet with a shadow and two Greek or maybe Egyptian guys. It's a triumph of the human mind.
Maybe I could get some hot dogs and Uber to you?
Unbelievable. 403. Ugh!
So, hot dogs? Chicago style? Come on.
Get back here!